यह तो हम सबके दिलों पर राज किया करते हैं, यह तो हम सबके दिलों पर राज किया करते हैं। Sends gratitude and only gratitude to my true master, Her Holiness Sadhguru Mataji. Whenever I sit, I realize all the goals in my life. At that time, I realize the most important and highest things should be given to become a true devotee. Sant Sadhguru Mataji say, every journey starts with a single step, and the first step either be taken in a right direction or a wrong direction. Sant, we are so blessed and so grateful that Sadhguru Mataji made us to take first step and in right direction and accepting the Brahma Gyan in our life, divine knowledge in our life. Sant Sadhguru Mataji give us the path to accepting the bhakti devotions in our life. Since we always hear a word, if we want the bhakti devotions in our life, then we need to surrender ourselves to the true master. True bhakti is not about a ritual alone, it is about a surrender. Surrender does not mean weakness, it means strength. When a devotee surrendered to Sadhguru, he gave up his ego, doubt and selfishness. Just like a river surrendered itself to the ocean, losing its name and form, but not meaning losing themselves. In the same way, if we surrender ourselves to the true master, we do not lose ourselves, even we get our true identity. Sant, now question arises, what surrender mean to the Sant? It is the highest form of bhakti, devotions in our life. It means trusting God completely, accepting all in joy, success and failure. Sant, that once we surrender ourselves, our soul and super soul becomes one. As it said, a drop merges with the ocean and becomes the ocean. Sant, let's make this ocean with love, happiness and bring us about the oneness. And bring with oneness which can only be attained by my thoughts and the opinions and synchronizations and my thoughts and the opinions of my Sadguru. A surrendered soul does not complain, it's only thanks. They do not fear because they know the master hand is always there. सजदे भी करूँ, सिखवे भी करूँ, भक्ति का ये दस्तूर नहीं. भक्ति है नाम समर्पण का, इसमें सजदे मंजूर नहीं. True bhakti is not only for asking, it is about surrendering and becoming all to the Nirankar. Let's surrender ourselves to the holy feet of our Sadhguru Mataji. Sadhguru Mataji placed to me to dust on your beloved path. At last, Dasi would like to say, तेरी नियायत पे जब भी मेरी नजर जाती है, तेरी नियायत पे जब भी मेरी नजर जाती है, मेरे मौला मेरी आंखें भर आती हैं. तू दे रहा कुछ इस कदर दातार, तू दे रहा कुछ इस कदर दातार कि हाथ दुआ में उठाने से पहले झोली भर जाती है, कि हाथ दुआ में उठाने से पहले झोली भर जाती है. सेंसे विद लव, धन निरंकार.